We'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem is really annoying as you're then unable to go and use it, so let's get started with fixing it. Make sure it's this full video as there are different things you can try. First of all, come back to your main settings. Scroll down and you want to go and find the option for General Management. Tap there, and we need to find date and time. If your settings are a bit different, you can use the search function in the top right to find date and time. Make sure that it's set automatically. Then you can return and go and see if that goes and allows you to go and connect successfully and use it. Come down the connections page and find more connection settings and find VPN. Make sure your device isn't trying to go and connect to one. You can turn it off, or in fact just go and completely remove it to go and see if that solves it. If it does, then great. However, if it still doesn't, come back to your Wi-Fi connections and press the gear or cog icon to the right of the network. Come to the bottom and we can go and press forget like so, and then what you can try doing is rejoining it. This may be able to go and solve the problem. If it does, then great. If it still doesn't solve it, hold down the side power button on your device and we can try doing a restart like so. When it starts, see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't, then you should go and check out your router. Make sure all the cables are properly plugged in and try restarting it, and hopefully that will resolve it.